In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Starbirds on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it, because we are not going to buy this game at Steam. We are going to download it at another website. So search for the game, Starbirds. After that select the game, and once you scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that this game is €19.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search for the same game, Starbirds, and after that search for it. Now if you select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work, very important, and then select the game. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that this game is already available for just €12.41 compared to the Steam price of €19.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game at this website, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.